Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Wow. So today I'm going to talk about in this video, funding, how to fund your small business. Now, there may be some nonprofits out there that help, but I have gotten quite a bit on our Facebook on what do we need to do to get funding. It can be a challenge. So I'm going to give you a couple of things you can do. I personally would suggest doing a side hustle. If at all possible, do something that you can bring in extra income in addition to what you need to run your household. That way, the extra income can go towards your business. Something else you may be able to do is cut or reduce your expenses. Now, that may be a challenge if you're already stretched, but if you have some extra money, instead of doing the purse or the shades or the tennis shoes or whatever that extra that you might spend it on, guess what? Put it aside in a special account just for your business. You probably will need anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 just to get a good start. And that includes equipment, supplies, all of that. But if you'd love to learn more of what you can do, I'm going to give you one more. There are small micro business loans that you may be able to get that could help us as well. So make sure you do some research for small micro business loans that they may give maybe $20,000, $10,000. It might not even be dependent on your credit. So look for that as well. Google and see what comes up for micro business loans. And what you can do, I'd love for you to click so that you can actually come to our free masterclass. It's what you need to do to start and scale to grow your cleaning business to six figures and beyond, within 12 months. So it's how to start and scale, how to get 10 times more cleaning customers, start and scale your cleaning business. And it's the exact blueprint that I use to get not one, not two, but 3 of my cleaning businesses well over to what? 6 figures and beyond, within 12 months. So if you'd like to know more, make sure you click to register for the free masterclass. And also, I'd love to invite you to our free, it's not really our private Facebook group. So if you'd like to know more about all of this, you can click to register for the free masterclass. We'll have the link from the private Facebook group where I actually talk about doing funding for small businesses. And if you'd like to know more, then make sure you reach out to me at 407-986-8228. That's 407-986-8228. Give me a call. Look forward to it. And also click to register for the free masterclass. If you have any questions, I may answer them on this YouTube channel and shout out your cleaning company. Okay. So if you have a question, make sure you shoot me an email at support@cleaningcourses.com. That's support@cleaning, KLENING, courses with an S.com. Send me an email of any question you have. And also you can give us a call at 407-986-8228. And what we may do is give you a shout out on this YouTube channel and answer your questions as well. So if you want to learn more, make sure you click the link, come to the masterclass, bring the energy. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.